How to change your TikTok profile picture? Here's how to do it. First, open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap Profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap Edit Profile. Under your current profile picture, tap Change Photo. You'll now have two options. Choose Take Photo if you want to capture a new picture using your camera, or tap Upload Photo to select an image from your gallery. If you choose a photo from your gallery, select the image you want to use. Adjust or crop the photo if needed, then tap Save to update your profile picture. Depending on your TikTok app version, you may also see an option to share your new profile photo to your story. This step is optional, so you can choose whether or not to post it. Once the changes are saved, your new profile picture will appear on your TikTok profile. And that's it. That's how you can change your TikTok profile picture. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.